What's up, beautiful people? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good midnight, wherever you are on it. I really appreciate you guys for following me up. I'm really happy about this. Please, people, please, I really appreciate it more if you could like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button on all my social media platforms. So, this evening, I just want to analyze gold USD. That's what I want to analyze tonight. So, here's what I see. This is what I did anyway. That gold is going to come this way. I mean, USD is gonna, go bearish, and then gold is going to bounce. And why did I think gold is going to bounce at this very position, at this very point? Why did I forecast that gold is going to come down? I mean, why did I forecast that gold is going to take a reversal turn at this very point? Why did I believe that USD is going to come down? Why did I believe that gold is not going to go up more? Okay, all this I would like to explain here. You know, so I might not give you the full intel, but at least I'll give you some little things that shows that gold is gold will not just lose the weight like that, but at least USD will try to pull some string. This is what I'm talking about. So I don't know, all the other trades that I forecast and I analyze has been going exactly the way I forecast them. So let's get down to business. So here, let's just look at it from this place. When you look at the market here, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. This is called I'm coming. Okay. You know, in this side, in this very circle, there are reversal. There are reversal items there. You get it? So should you look should you look within here? Should you look from here to this very point? There's a reversing trend there too. Are you with me? So should you look at how will I put it? Should you look at the market from this edge again, and you look at the market from this place, do you know that this market wants to come down? Are you with me? But let's just take a look back a little bit. Let us see. Ever since and since ever, gold always have a better edge than USD most times. Gold always have the upper edge, so that's good for you. Gold does this most times, and this has been what gold has been all about ever since. you know so here's what I'm saying. Let's just check it from back. Let's just check it from way back a little bit. you know let's look at it. This looks like a duck or something, but this is just what I see that will happen in the market. So let's just go from August 19, 2019. Okay, let's come from here. USD was able to form a little string and it came down, but it wasn't much. Gold keep climbing up. Gold is crazy most times. Gold is most times crazy. So, gold keep pulling it up, and USD try to go bearish, but gold keep pulling it up, and it got to February 24, 2020. USD was able to pull it down a little bit, then gold pull it up again. March 6, 2020, gold came to the top. US dollar brought it down to May. Wait, I'm coming, please. Okay, US dollar brought it down. Gold took the momentum. US dollar brought it down and brought it to March 19, 2020. Gold took the momentum and pulled it up a little bit, but there was a power struggle within all this range. You understand? There's a, there are pin bar, there engulfing bar, there are, the edging wedge hammer. There are many things that indicates that gold is going up here, and it keep climbing and keep climbing and keep climbing and keep climbing. Climbs up to this extent. You get it? So here, as it is like this, gold just want to, US dollar just want to like prove itself, because US dollar still have to fight. The US dollar is not an easy currency, but gold is, gold is just a demanded commodity worldwide. You get it? So I believe this was why gold was still able to pull US dollar much more. But right now, US dollar is not at its best form. You get it? US dollar is not at its best form at the moment. You get it? So this is what I see here. This is what I see here. So gold is really, gold is really manifesting it. Gold is really manifesting some, doing some kind of stuff here, which is very, very good. Let me just try to do some little something. I'm coming. Because I'm seeing this market bouncing somewhere around here. See this market taking a kind of reversal around that side, but this is what I see. Because gold is not an easy currency, that one can just come and drop on like that. USD is gonna pull a little string, but not much. You get it? Not much. At least minimum is going to maximum is going to bounce back here. But right now it's a downtrending market. This is what I see here. So this is what I see here. But people, please just let me know what you see in this place, because this is what I see in this place. This is exactly what I see. So please let me know what you guys see. Let me know what you think about the market. Let me know let me just know about what you see to the market. So at this very point, what I'm saying is that it is 75-25. 75% the market is coming down. So 75% the market is coming down, but not that down. You get it? But from here, it's going to pick it up again. It's definitely going to pick it up again. So it's definitely, gold is definitely going to pick it up. Gold is gold. Gold is a world commodity. So gold is definitely going to pick it up, and gold will keep leading its crusade up as it always do. You get it? So this is what I see here. Please, I would really appreciate it if you could like, share, subscribe, click the notification button on my YouTube channel, on all my social media pages. And please, people, I'm really open to a polite correction. Please just let me know if I do anything, if you see anything that you believe is not correct here. Please just let me know, okay? This is just what I have for today, and I would really appreciate it if you could let me know. This is what I have for now, not for today, because I'm still analyzing more market, So this is what I see here. But people, please let me know what you see. Let me know what you think as well. So here's what I would just say. Trade safe, trade wise, don't be greedy. Have a good one. God bless us all. See you in my next video.